Bovine ulcerative mammary dermatitis, UMD, also known as udder cleft dermatitis or foul udder, is a highly troublesome condition that threatens the health and productivity of dairy cattle. It is an often overlooked yet significant issue that can have a profound impact on both the animal's welfare and the dairy farm's bottom line. Understanding UMD, its causes, symptoms, risk factors, and management strategies is crucial for anyone in the dairy farming industry. If you are a dairy farmer or anyone invested in the health of cattle, this will help you stay ahead of this painful condition that affects your herd. Bovine ulcerative mammary dermatitis is an inflammatory skin condition that primarily affects the udder of dairy cows. It is characterized by the appearance of moist ulcerative lesions, often accompanied by a foul odor. These lesions are typically found at the fore-udder attachment, between the two halves of the udder or between the udder and the thigh. Though not often life-threatening, UMD can significantly reduce milk production, compromise the animal's comfort, and increase susceptibility to other infections such as mastitis. Dairy farmers should be on the lookout for key clinical signs to identify UMD early. Moist, ulcerative lesions that can be painful for cows and are typically found around the forequarters of the udder. A foul odor, which is one of the most distinctive features of UMD. And reduced milk yield, as infected cows may produce less milk due to the pain and inflammation associated with the condition. If you notice these signs in your herd, early intervention is key to minimizing long-term damage. While the exact cause of UMD is still not fully understood, several factors are believed to contribute to its onset. Mechanical irritation from friction due to poor cow housing, milking machines, or environmental stressors can damage the udder skin. Environmental conditions such as cold weather and damp conditions have been linked to seasonal outbreaks, and infections from bacteria like spirochates, commonly associated with digital dermatitis, have been found in some UMD lesions. Additionally, bovine herpes virus 4, BOHV4, has been implicated, though its direct role in causing UMD remains uncertain. UMD doesn't just cause physical discomfort for the cows, it can lead to serious consequences for farm productivity. Decreased milk production, as cows suffering from UMD are less likely to produce milk at their optimal levels, affecting overall dairy yields. Increased risk of mastitis, as open wounds and skin irritation can provide a gateway for bacteria, leading to additional infections. And reduced animal welfare, since if left untreated, UMD can lead to chronic pain, reducing the animal's quality of life and overall well-being. Though UMD can affect cows of any age, there are certain groups that are particularly susceptible. First, lactation cows, which are at a higher risk of developing UMD, possibly due to their less developed immune systems and the stress associated with early lactation. Cows in cold climates, as seasonal outbreaks of UMD are more common in colder weather when conditions are more damp and harsh on the animal's skin. And poor hygiene, as farms with less than optimal hygiene practices increase the risk of UMD, since bacteria thrive in unsanitary environments, making it easier for infections to take hold. The good news is that with prompt action and preventive measures, UMD can be managed effectively. Improve hygiene by regularly cleaning barns and milking areas to reduce the risk of bacterial infections, as keeping cows clean and dry is essential for preventing UMD. Minimize irritation by reducing mechanical stress on the udder from milking machines or rough bedding to prevent skin damage. Early detection is crucial, so keep a vigilant eye on your herd for any signs of UMD, as the sooner it's caught, the easier it is to treat. And consult your vet, as a veterinarian can offer the best advice on treatment options and may recommend antibiotics or other therapies to control infection. Bovine ulcerative mammary dermatitis may be an unfortunate condition, but with the right knowledge, management practices, and vigilance, it can be controlled. As a dairy farmer, taking proactive steps in maintaining a clean, comfortable environment for your cows is critical in preventing UMD and ensuring the health of your herd. Don't wait for symptoms to worsen. By acting early, you not only protect your cows, but also safeguard the productivity and profitability of your farm. Remember, a healthy cow is a productive cow. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep your herd happy and healthy.